Yo, what's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to be rebuilding a WNBA team. We're going to be rebuilding the Atlanta Dream, and one season starts. Season starts July and ends in September. It's kind of sad. And the Seattle Storm won in real life. If you guys didn't know, they swept someone. I forget who it was. But yeah, Atlanta Dream's one of the worst ones. As you can see, Seattle Storm were the second worst. In 2K20, they were the worst. Indiana Fever is the worst. Look at the daily view. There's 3 games. Alright. Alright. You cannot trade, which sucks. Look at our roster. We do have a good shooting guard. Oh, wait, I think you can trade. Oh, well, it's just Maya Moore, sure. We just got Maya Moore. We're gonna make this a dream team. Or no. Tiffany Hayes, shooting guard. Look for a better shooting guard. Which shooting guard can we get? Is that? I'm gonna get Deanna Thomas. The only ones I know is well, I do know Brittany Griner. I know Ella Della Don. And there's another one I forgot. But yeah, we just got that point guard. Better point guard. Any goated point guards out here? There's Sue Bird, Larry Bird's daughter. Oh yeah, I do know Candace Parker. Probably try and get her. But we're looking for a point guard. Sure, let's get Courtney Vandersloot. Alright. Now let's try to get a... Do we already have... Yeah, we already have a shoot. I'm a trader for Candace Parker. Where's Candace Parker? Los Angeles Sparks. Or sorry, for California. Candace Parker. I'm gonna try to get a better center. I'll just get Liz Cambridge. I think I've heard of her too. But got a goated 35. We can try to get another small forward. Sure, get you. I don't even care. This is just so random. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I am. Power forward. Ella Della Don. Forgot about her, but gotta get her. Ella Della Don and Candace Parker. Sure, this is good for now. Let's simulate first game. It's gonna be a dub, easy dubs. I'm gonna simulate the rest of the season. Guys, Liz Cambridge injured. 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah. Guys, we are currently 14-0, 15-0, 16-0. Can we go 22-0? There's 22 games this season. I think that's what it said. But I think there's 22 games. 21-0. No! Brandon Stewart MVP. We lost the last game, 21-1. Dang it! You've got to be kidding. You're so one game away from going undefeated. But the last game we lost. Oh, that's so stupid. You're still goated without Candace Parker. Right. We're the first seed. We have a bye. The top 4 teams have a bye, and then this, like, the wild card. Whatever. We got the standings. Obviously, we're Chicago Sky, 7-17. Sparks were trash because we took Candace Parker from them, probably. Because she literally carried the Sparks. 7-15. Is there divisions? Yeah, there's no divisions in WNBA. I don't know. Just simulate round. Las Vegas Aces beat the Dallas Wings. Dallas Wings, right? Is it Dallas Wings? I'm gonna check. Is it Dallas Wings? I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, Dallas Wings. Oh, only the top 2, the bottom 2 don't make the playoffs, and the rest of them do. Wow. I did not know that. So basically, most of the teams make it. There's only 12 teams. 6 teams in a conference, 4 make it. No, 6 make it. And there's not even, it's numbered by, like, the whole league, not just conferences. Alright, now, this game is one game as well. Las Vegas plays Minnesota, and Mystics beat the Liberty. Okay, we're playing the Aces. Aces beat Minnesota Lynx. Yeah, if you're the first and second seed, you go in the conference finals, and if you're the 3 and 4 seed, then you go to the conference semis. But if you're anything else, 5 through 8, then you play like every game or something. This is a 5-game series. Oh, hey, we won. Oh yeah, best of 5 too. Hey, they beat Connecticut. Connecticut's literally going. We're playing Seattle. This could be tough. Well, we lost one game. I mean, we only lost one game too. But can I simulate only one game, bro? What if I go in to play the game? Ooh. Well, that's us. Ooh, Brianna Stewart. I forgot about her. Should have picked her up. Dang. Can I still trade? I probably can't. I can still trade. I'm not going to. Oh, simulate game right here. We lose game 1. I just want to simulate the stupid game. Thank you. No! Oh. We gotta go in the same cast. Oh, we won. I forgot to stop it, but we won by freaking 3. Thank God. I gotta do something. 10 minutes, so if I go in, it's a 10-minute quarter. Please. We need this stop for the dream. The dream team. Oh, what the hell is it? We're up. Oh, we're gonna take dubs. We're taking dubs. Let's go. We won by 28, I think. Yeah, 28. Tied 2-2. Oh, we got a lead. This is for the finals. We gotta jump in and play the rest. Gotta see these girls win a championship. Let's do this. We're down 2-0. Let's go. Down 2-0 in the series. And we won both 2 games. And look where we are now. Let's go. All right, boys. This is so weird. I never even played WNBA ever. Some. In 1 second. Yeah. This game is over. But, hey, why does it say Black Lives Matter? I don't know any of these people's strengths. Hey, what a shot! What a shot, mate! Who the hell is this announcer? He sounds gay. Sue Bird. I can still trade people. That's funny. Foul. What was that? Still got it though. The midget. What the fun, bro? Vandersloot.
And so here's Atlanta.
Clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. That's a foul. If you're happy. What are you doing, midget? Oh, Candace Parker. Oh, she caught that behind the back of the backboard. Behind the backboard. Wow. Vandersloot. Oh. 31 seconds left, boys. We got this. Happy, yeah, you know it. If you're happy. Dude, those stands are like steep. Dude, those stands are steep. Try some dribble moves with Vandersloot. Candace Parker. Dolly, get it. Atlanta down the bonus for some reason. Said that. But the dream team wins the WNBA championship. This wasn't really a rebuild, but it kind of was. And comment down below if you want to see me do like an NBA rebuild. Like the Knicks or something. Because I'll do that, man. WNBA champions. Atlanta Dream. Not even like a post thing. Why is the NBA 2K logo like this? Like, that's weird. Look at the box score. Deanna Taurasi, 22 points, 21 points by Vandersloot. Nice. 4 rebounds, 7 assists by Vandersloot and Taurasi. 12 rebounds by Liz Cambridge. She had a double-double, 17 points and 12 rebounds. Damn. Brianna Stewart had a double-double. She had the most points out of everyone. She had like a third of the team's points. 11 rebounds, 27 points, 3 assists, 1 steal, 1 block, 3 turnovers, though, and most of the team had like 2 turnovers. But yeah, let's go. WNBA trophy. I don't even know if that's the actual WNBA trophy. I don't know. I don't watch WNBA. I mean, I've watched it before, but not really. Atlanta Dream. Nice. Candace Parker, Finals MVP. We win in 5 in the final game. Let's go. We destroyed Seattle. No championship for you, Seattle. Congratulations. Complete season. Try again to see you do better. Well, that's it. I wish you could do like a My League instead of just 1 season. Like, that'd be cool, but... Like, come on, 2K! What are you doing? But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed. WNBA rebuild wasn't really a rebuild because I just trade everybody like just like that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.